Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix a weed whacker that idles but won't rev up. So let's get right into it. And today you're only going to need one tool, and that is going to be a slot screwdriver. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so here's the weed eater itself, and I'll show you what the problem is. So it idles perfectly, so I'll turn it on here. But then, as you just saw, as soon as I tried to give it gas, it wouldn't rev up. So the first thing we're going to do is I'll bring you guys down here and I'll show you. Okay guys, so what we have to do is down here, there are two adjustment screws right here. So the one closer to the engine right here is going to be the low, and the other one's going to be the H. Sometimes like this, they'll have an H and an L. So what we have to do is turn this one, the H one, out like a quarter of a turn, and it should rev up. So I'll show you guys that right now. So we're going to start it up, and we're going to turn out the screw, and then try revving it up. And the choke was on, that's my bad. Alright, so yes, it is literally as simple as turning out a small screw a quarter of a turn with a screwdriver. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how to make your weed eater not bog down when you go to rev it up. So if you like this video, remember to give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.